So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today again represent you a very important product unboxing video. So actually today I unbox a TP-Link router. So if you don't have any idea is what a router is, so I hope that you are smart enough and you know what is the procedure of router. So uh, pre- previously show you on my channel that how you can set up the broadband connection in your computer. Okay, so what is this router do is connected the main working principle of the router is convert the broadband into Wi-Fi. Okay, so suppose you take the broadband connection in your home and you are tired to use this broadband service in your computer or laptop, and you want to use on more of your devices, like you want to use your mobile phone also as well as computer also and as well as laptop also. So the pathetic problem is this type of LAN port is not supported in mobile. Okay, on mobile, not even in OTG also. So what people normally do, they buy a router and convert the broadband into Wi-Fi. Okay, so you have to understand the basic concept of technologies. So what is broadband, what is router, and what is Wi-Fi? That's called broadband connection, and this port is LAN, and this is the router, and by using this router I convert the broadband into Wi-Fi. Okay, so no more talk, let's unpack this. So this is the TP-Link. The price of this router is 105.99 rupees. Okay, so first unboxing and see the model. So actually I forget the model numbers. Okay, I also want to show you. Okay, so yeah, so this is the scissors. Okay, so let's unpack this. So as we can see, oh, so this is so much tight here. So here, this is the router. Okay, and the packaging of the router is very good. Okay, so here, so this is comes with a good protector here. So okay, so as you can see that the Flipkart packaging is very good. Okay, so this is 300 Mbps, and here, okay, so there is no need to, okay, what a sound. Actually there is no need to cut this type of polythene, because these things is one of the very popular among children, because they make some tickling sound from it. Okay, so wow, okay, wow, okay, so just throw it and let's see the router here. So as you can see that, so this is the TP-Link wireless 300 Mbps wireless A2S plus modem router. Wireless plus modem router. So the wireless plus modem, that means ADSL modem. You can also your LAN connection with it, and along it's also, and it can be both used for LAN and as well as Wi-Fi also. So actually, friends, I did not know the what is ADSL modem means. So if you are a software engineer, then comment down below and what is called ADSL. In my lifetime, first see the line that ADSL router. But I hope this is both for Wi-Fi and as well as LAN also. So that's why, sir, it comes with 3 years warranty. So okay, so and TP-Link is very reliable company because the service center of TP-Link in almost any countries mega city, okay, in any countries have the TP-Link service center. Suppose in India there are so much service center of TP-Link. So okay, so easy setup. So let's unpack this and see what is inside in it. Okay, so here what I have to do is okay, so here just so here so here as you can see that this is inside the box. So now just come out the box and see what is inside the box. So as you can see that, so this is a quick installation guide, okay, that how you can install. So I previously I installed this kind of router, so not this specific model router but this kind of router. I know that how to set up configure router on your laptop or computer. So another thing is I also make a separate video on that how you can configure this that broadband connection into your router. Okay, so this is a quick installation guide. Connect hardware into phone jack, connect ADCL splitter into phone jack. Okay, so here is the all. Okay, this is also required power adapter, and this is a configuring modem router. Okay, configuring the modem router, this is configuring the hardware. Okay, so friends, I previously, if you know the function of ADSL, then comment down below, verify that. Okay, so just keep step one really connect to the modem router. If you don't need the phone service, just keep the skip step and directly connected the modem router to the phone jack with a phone cable. And then I don't find that this ADSL NADCL is the a basic function, because most of the people use this kind of modem function. This is the main function, I hope. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. I easily, so okay, so I give a little research on what called ADSL, and this is the power adapter. Another thing is the quality of the TP-Link is the same, because previously I use a TP-Link 800 rupees router, which is I purchased on Diwali on India. So and that router is still working, and the router age is almost 5 years or 4 years, but still it is working fine. And this is the okay. So now see that how long does this router last. So okay, so wow. So as you can see that there what is given, this is the NADCL something, and this is some kind of ADSL splitter. ADSL means I have this kind of something phone connection or something. Okay, so this is the LAN. Okay, so this is the LAN cable. Okay, and this is the LAN cable, and this is okay. So wow, what a texture. TP-Link is so much good. As you can see, this is sorry. Okay, this is the model number. You can also another thing is make sure that you did not hack my router. So okay, so another thing is, so just wow, what a dual antenna is. Wow, very, very good. So this is the TP-Link wireless router. Okay. So this is the model number is TP-Link TDW89619 router. Okay friends, another thing is you can also adjust your antenna from here. Suppose many people want this type, this, and I think the signal range is for signal range is same for in every direction. So okay, so and the finishing of this product is very, very good, and it's also looks shining. So okay friends, if you have any query regarding this, and this is the TP-Link low, if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. I try my best to resolve your issue. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. And so okay friends, goodbye.